हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू वंस अगेन ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल डेली न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग सेशन। तो चलिए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं न्यूज़पेपर का एक आर्टिकल। इंडिया यूरोपियन यूनियन सेट ईयर इन डेडलाइन फॉर ट्रेड डील। India and the European Union are working towards concluding their long pending bilateral free trade agreement by the end of 2025, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Friday after meeting with European Commissioner President Ursula von der Leyen. Here, they are also discussing a new strategic security and defense partnership agreement to replace the current strategic roadmap for 2020-25 ahead of the next EU Indian summit expected later this year. Mr. von der Leyen was in Delhi to lead the college to commissioner, the biggest such visit by the EU cabinet thus far. We have prepared a blueprint for collaboration in the area of trade, technology in investment, innovation, green growth, security, skilling and mobility. We have directed our team to conclude a mutually beneficial bilateral free trade agreement by the end of this year, Mr. Modi announced on Friday. Progress in the FTA talks, which began first in 2007 and were relaunched in 2022, has eluded both teams of negotiators thus far. The new directive to complete the negotiations by the end of the year is intended to give them a political push ahead of the next round of talk to be held from March 10 to 14 in the Brussels. If concluded, the deal with includes an investment protections agreement and geopolitical indications agreement would be the largest in the world, Mr. von der Leyen said. However, questions remain over whether the two sides can bridge their differences in a matter of months, particularly over tariffs issues which have held them up for years. K tariffs benefiting briefing the media about the talks, an EU official said the FTA plan is ambitious but conceded that unless there is a breakthrough on India cutting tariffs on European cars and alcohols, it would not be realized. I would even go far as saying that without a substantive commitment on cars, there will not be a trade agreement between European Union and India, the official said. When asked about the statement, Ministry of External Affairs Secretary West Tanmay Lal said that there are different concerns for both sides, but now the decisive, clear mandate has been given given by the leader to their teams. He added When asked about the realistic the year in deadline was, India has sped up trade negotiations with a number of countries in the past few years, but FTAs have repeatedly missed such deadlines, including those with the United Kingdom, Australia, and others. Geo- Geopolitical context. Dividing the issue discussed into the different baskets of economic each issues technology, operations and security, and defense. Mr. On De Leyen said that now more than even ever the geopolitical context asks for decisive action. She was believed to be indicating the context of US President Donald Trump's threats of trade tariffs against Europe as well as tariffs violators like India that shift in US policy on the Russia Ukraine conflict and Europe's desire to de risk its tie with China. We have seen how supply chains and dependency are used to gain influence or drive wedge between nations and regions. We have seen a more aggressive posture from major power, and of course the conflict that have disestablished entire regions, she said, delivering a keynote address on EU India tie at an event organized by the Council for Strategic and Defense Research. India EU tie have the potential to be one of the defining partnership of this century, and leadership with India will be a cons- cornerstone of Europeans' foreign policy. It is therefore time to take these ties to be next level, Mr. Onde Leon added.